Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out how you can get thousands of dollars worth design assets, resources, tools, fonts, and so much more all for free. So today you're gonna save thousands of dollars on the best resources possible. Also, towards the end of the video, I will have a small segment where I'll show students, especially students, how they can get some really cool assets, websites, resources for free for their student life. I think that will be helpful for a lot of you guys. Now, the first resource we're going to check out is a big secret. Literally, it's called joinsecret.com. Designers, developers, tech people, everyone can take advantage of this. You can sign up to this for free to keep on getting cool updates. However, if I go to the top here, there's something called design. So they'll show me all the great deals which have come up for free on this website itself. So for example, they're giving away $1,000 worth of Notion credits with lifetime accessibility. And this is so cool because all you need to do is click on this little black button right here and you get all the information about the tool, about the deal, and everything around it. One thing that was really useful for me was Typeform, and they're giving 6 months of free on the premium plan. So if you buy the premium plan, the first 6 months will be free. I think this is a great deal too. And you have all these amazing categories on top: productivity, design, no code, marketing, web development, sales, accounting, everything you could have ever thought of. You're gonna get the best deals, a lot of things for free, a lot of things for the cheapest price possible as well. And in case you sign up for Secret's premium plans, you get a lot of other things for free. Things like Slack, Intercom, Freshworks, Canva. All these great deals will be unlocked. You'll get a lot of these great deals for free if you join their premium plan as well. Otherwise, you can always get the free and still benefit a lot from it. Now, the next resource is called Black Market. Not Black Market, but BLK Market. And on their platform, they have deals running every single day. Premium products, paid products going free on their platform for a limited time only. Now, for example, I go to their Black Market website and there is a section called free on the navigation on top. Now, if I go into the free section, I get so many cool resources. So for example, I have this book cover mockup, which earlier was $10 or will turn $10 after the deal. However, for now, it is completely free. And most of these resources are a minimum of $10. However, there are some which are even more expensive. So you're getting a lot of these expensive $10, $20, $30 resources on their platform, very high quality for free. You can of course filter through this, unlike a lot of other websites which are doing this for free. You can filter through this, you can choose the color of resources. You can choose to say, okay, this should be new, hot, rating, price low, price high, all those good things. I would suggest especially the free posts which have a sale mark on the top right. You go for that because these sales will definitely end sometime and they'll be back to $10 or $20. So this website itself can give you thousands of dollars worth of product, thousands of dollars worth of mockups, resources, textures, assets, bundles, brushes, what not for each and every tool and resource on this platform. Now, Creative Block is a very popular website for creative resources, articles, freebies, and whatnot. However, they have a website or a platform called Freebies, where they list the top deals or the top things that have gone free right now for a limited time only on this platform. So if anything goes free for a small amount of time, they will put it up here. And the interesting thing is it's not only design resources, but you also have courses in design, productivity, marketing, whatnot, all going free, which were earlier say $50 or $30, which have gone free for a limited time. For example, Shutterstock is very expensive and generally there's not a lot of trials or anything available. However, on Creative Block, you can get 1 month of free on Shutterstock if you get it from here. They keep on refreshing this page as soon as new deals pop up, and it's focused towards creatives like us. So go check it out. I think it's cool. Now, what if you could get a bundle of great resources for either free or very cheap? Now, there is a website which dedicates itself to doing that. Designbundles.net is a platform where you can get amazing resources, $100 worth, $1,000 worth resources for as low as either free or just $1. $1 on estimate is around 70 rupees. In perspective, it's like getting 2 large bags of chips. On the top right of this website, there's something that will attract you a lot. It's called the $1 deals. So maybe a $50 deal is being given to you as $1 because all you need to do is sign up for free and add $1 worth store credit. And that's it. You will unlock these amazing deals, which will arrive every few days. So it's like a lottery. You're paying $1 and you might even get a $500 worth package or a deal for $1 only. And on top of that, they are giving 10% off on that $1 also. So you're actually paying 90 cents. However, this is completely optional. There is something called free designs on their website as well. So a lot of these premium resources that you might see on FreePic or any other platform, you will be seeing here as well. And rather than being paid, they're actually made free on this website. Now I'm sure you guys know about Envato Elements. It's a website where a lot of artists, creators, designers put up their resources to, of course, earn money out. However, Envato Elements makes certain resources every month free. And on their website, they have something called free files. And under free files, you have this month's free file. So for example, you have this amazing web template or UI kit, whatever you want to call it. And it has, of course, the HTML and CSS code along with it. So this UI kit is generally paid. However, it's free for this month only. And all you need to do is sign up to Envato Elements absolutely free and then just download this resource. By the way, Creative Market, another platform much like Envato, is giving free goods every single week. You can get up to 6 paid resources for free every single week. And on the top, they have an interesting deal. If you ever happen to spend money on this platform, they will give you 3 bonus files every single week. And look at all these great resources: Insta feed, fonts, typography, videos, and so much more. Every single week they're gonna update this, so make sure you bookmark such websites and every single week check out if there's something interesting for you. Now, AppSumo is a very popular website when it comes to getting deals for design software or anything else. Now, they have a page called Freebies. Under this, for a limited time only, you get paid books, paid courses, the almanac of Naval Ravikant, which is crazy. And if you go ahead and try and get these resources on your own, you will get these for $10, $20. However, on this page itself, they have a lot of these converted into freebies. And not only that, they also have some tools available here as well. Tools for freelancers, tools for designers, tools for marketers. There's something or the other for everyone on this website. I think you should go check AppSumo out. I'll have a link, of course. Now, this next one is really proud of because it's provided by the Indian government. So if you are situated in India and you have some form of business or startup which you've opened or anything like that, you can actually get cloud services for free. You can get management and enterprise softwares for free. You can get legal support for free. You can even get certain financial services, limited ones, for free, and business services also. So these are pro bono offerings if you ever sign up to Startup India, which is an initiative by the government, and you happen to have a small startup, proprietorship, whatever it might be, you can get all these resources for free. I just wanted to show this because I'm sure a lot of you guys are starting your own business, you're starting your own practice as a designer. This could be beneficial for you. Now let's get into certain benefits that a .edu website or a student ID can get you. Now the first is getting a free domain for a year. Namecheap, which is a popular website to buy domains and host websites, is giving a free domain to every student. You can get any one of these domains, .me, .io, .tech, .com, as well as .website. All these you can get for free if you are a student. They're giving you premium offers from some great websites if you sign up your domain here. You can get 1 year of hosting your files and resources on GitHub. You can get to use a professional logo maker, which would generally cost you money. But here, they're giving it to you for free, as well as a business card creator where you can design your own business card, again, for free if you're a student. Did you know GitHub, which is a popular site for developers to use, is actually giving away a lot of free goods to students specifically? It's called GitHub Education, and under this, you get design tools, cloud-based tools, developer tools, game development tools, domains, and so much more for free. Yes, in this you have .com domains, you have JetBrains, which is popular, you have Microsoft Azure, you have DigitalOcean, all worth combined plus $1,000, but for students, it's free. All you need to do is click on this little button which says Get Your Pack, and under this you can either get it as a teacher, a student, or even a school. So if you're either one of those, you can get all these resources for free. Also, you get GitHub Pro, which is one of the best resources for a lot of developers and even some web designers out there who want to use this. Now, I won't be covering too much for students. However, there is a fellow YouTuber of mine who has covered all these amazing resources and has given a brief description of each of these resources. Go check out his video, or you can even check out my video, which you should watch if you're doing a UX certificate. You should check out this video as well. Apart from that, I come up with such content every Monday and Thursday. So if you're interested in any of these videos, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you're notified when I post. Until next time, God bless.